How are you? So what all things we have studied? In last class we were studying about permanent tissues, and we studied that there are two types of permanent tissues: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. And we were discussing about simple permanent tissue. Which are the three types of simple permanent tissue? Parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So last class we have studied about parenchyma. We studied that they are living cells, they are thin-walled, they store food, then which store chlorophyll are called chlorenchyma, and with those parenchyma with air cavities are called aerenchyma. All this we have studied. So today we can study about next cell, that is collenchyma. So we can study about collenchyma. So we have studied that parenchyma cells are living cells and they are arranged with intercellular space and they are thin-walled. So now here what is the structure of collenchyma? So these collenchyma are also living cells. Okay. So they are living cells. So parenchyma and collenchyma are living cells. And they are arranged with little intercellular space. So we can see only little intercellular space in between these cells. Okay. And intercellular space only very little. In parenchyma we can see more intercellular space. And in parenchyma we study they are thin-walled. Here they are thickened at the corners. So at the corners they are thickened by extracellulose. So they are thickened at the corners by extracellulose. But in parenchyma we study everywhere it is thin-walled. But here it is thickened at the corners. Okay. So they have very little intercellular space. Little intercellular space. And they are thickened at the corners with extracellular cellulose. Okay. So what is the structure? Thickened at the corners. They are living cells and they are arranged with little intercellular space. And when we look at the function, we can say that they give flexibility to the plants. So what is the main function? They give flexibility. Okay, so they give flexibility to the plant parts. For example, you know, in climbers, they will climb around the support. They won't break. Or the tendrils of climbers, the tendrils also will climb around the support. So they are flexible. They can climb around it. So which cells are helping them giving this flexibility? The flexibility is given by collenchyma. So main function is that they will give flexibility. And also they give mechanical support. So for two functions, they give mechanical support and also they give flexibility. Okay. Then they are living cells. They are within less intercellular space and they are thickened at the corners. The next is sclerenchyma. So we have studied parenchyma and collenchyma are living cells. But this sclerenchyma is dead cell. So one feature is that they are dead cell. And they give or make the plant parts hard and stiff. So what is the function? They will make the plant parts hard and stiff. So they will give mechanical support. Okay. Then when we look at the cells, Parenchyma, there was large intercellular space, collenchyma less intercellular space, and here sclerenchyma are arranged closely without intercellular space. So they are arranged without intercellular space. So they are closely arranged. And when we look at the thickness, we study parenchyma was thin-walled, collenchyma is thickened at the corners, and the sclerenchyma is thickened uniformly. So not only the corners, all parts are thickened uniformly. So since it is thickened uniformly, what about the cavity inside the cell? Cavity is absent inside the cell because it is thickened uniformly. So inside the cavity is very less or absent. So it is thickened uniformly. So the inner cavity is less or absent. And this is thickened by a substance called lignin. So it is thickened by a substance called lignin. And this lignin, you know cement. So lignin is a substance like cement. So it is thickened by a substance called lignin. So it is very hard. For example, this coconut fiber, you know. What about it? It is very strong. We can't break even one fiber. We can't break. It is very hard. So the coconut fiber is made up of this sclerenchyma cells. So it is made up of dead cells and it is uniformly thickened by a substance called lignin. So inside the cavity is absent. So the cavity is absent or absent inside the cells. It is thickened by a substance called lignin. And what is the function? It make the plant parts hard and stiff and give mechanical support. So you know the outer covering of seeds or nuts. What about the outer covering? It is very hard. And that outer covering is made up of this sclerenchyma cells. Okay. So now we study simple permanent tissues parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma and collenchyma are living cells. Sclerenchyma is dead cell. Parenchyma is thin-walled. Collenchyma is thickened at the corners with cellulose. And sclerenchyma is uniformly thickened with lignin. Then parenchyma's function is to store food. Collenchyma give flexibility to plants. And sclerenchyma make the plant parts hard and stiff. Where we can see parenchyma, we can see in the soft parts like cortex of root, stem and all. Then collenchyma we can see in the stalk of leaves and all. Then sclerenchyma we can see in the outer covering of seeds, nuts and all. Okay. And the word sclerus means hard. Okay. So it is hard. Why it is hard? Because it is thickened by a substance called lignin. Okay.